Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to tell you about order to cash accounts receivable related information. So here you are able to see there is a PDF which contains about information related to O2C and its cycle, everything. So I'll just read this what is mentioned clearly, and I hope you are able to see the screen properly. So here it's all about understanding O2C or order to cash. So here if you're able to see the you'll be able to get to know about the practical problems on accounts receivable to understand its effects on books of accounts, and you can also get to know the importance and how it will affect how it will be beneficial for this business world. So here you are able to see a screen. So accounts receivable, it will be able to measure the money. AR measures the money that customers owe to business to for goods or services already provided on credit. So I hope O2C cycle, many of them are aware about it. So this O2C, you'll be able to learn about many things. SAP application, you can work on SAP application, T codes, billing, invoicing. So usually this we have the one major field in accounts is O2C. First is O2C, second is P2P domain, which is procurement, which is also called as accounts payable, and the last is R2R. R2R means records to reports. So here you are able to see the screen clearly, and I hope you are able to get a clear information. It is also known as O2C or OTC process. Companies, it refers to a company's business process for the entire order processing system. And it is a complete process of which where you first receive a order or sell an product at the time you receive the payment for your product or services. So here in this particular O2C cycle, so first is sales quotation and sales order. Next comes is credit management and shipment. Then billing and invoicing. Collections and management, later part the next procedure. Customer payments and cash application. Disputes and customer return management. Accounting, and last is reporting. So I hope the screen is visible here. So try to have a look. Sales quotation includes providing a quotation about quality, price, and condition of a sales or a product. So here in this slide, key roles. Corporate culture is only sustainable competitive advantage that is completely within the control of entrepreneur. So O2C, order entry, the branches which comes as order entry, sales manager, material management, accounts receivable, accounting, finance, customer management. So here there is some practical questions which has been given on AR. So I hope you're able to get the clear information in this video. And in case if you need this PDF, let me know so I would be able to share it with you. Drivers of cash flows. So profit and loss, accounts receivable, inventory management, AP, capital expenditure, borrowing and debt services, other timing difference. And here in this you are able to see impact of AR on cash flow. So some necessary information is being shared here. A positive adjustment related to AR means we collected more money from customers on your existing accounts receivable than we billed to customers during the month. It means AR balance on our balance sheet went down during the month. Appended are the synopsis contributing to the situation. So here is the importance and impact of accounts receivable. It AR forms a major part of company's assets, and it generates cash flow cash inflows in the book of company and also affects company's future cash flow. The second point, company generally provides credit facility to the customer to ease the process of the transaction and establish a strong credit relation. This helps in providing better deals for the company. An investor can use accounts receivable days to check the collection efficiency of the company. So there are nearly 10 points which has been mentioned here. The importance and impact. So hope you're able to the clear view of the video, you're able to get it. So as I'm telling you again, in case if you need this PDF link, let me know. I would be happy to share it in, and especially if you are from a O2C background, and see if you are able to educate it to any fresher, or if anyone is interested to join in a O2C process as a fresher 2019, 2020, 21 passed out. So this video would definitely help them. So there are various fields. I just wanted to tell about one more information. In finance background we have a lot of field. One is like uh, accounts, and I have explained you what and all topics comes under account. Then comes banking. So in banking we have lot of subdivisions, like we have KYCML, we have investment banking and corporate actions. So other fields also we have, like credit card operations, many fields we have actually. Then comes taxation, we have direct indirect taxation, everything. Then comes US mortgage. So mortgage is something like it's into properties, loans, so where we can learn about underwriting and mortgage underwriting. So you would get to know about making so I was personally part of property preservations team. So we were registering properties for vacant and occupied properties. It's called PPI operations. So there are even other field in mortgage like title search. So these are the fields which comes under, and even a mortgage, uh, people from even a BCA or a BE background are also considered. But commerce background, it also helps you a lot. And these are the field which you are able to get in BCom, BBM or MBA finance field. And if you want to go into a tax field or something, into a chartered accountant or ICWA related, you can try for companies like KPMG, EY, so Deloitte. So these are the companies which would help you out. So as in this video, you're able to get a clear idea about O2C. So in case if anyone has any information about P2P or R2R domain, so just let me know. I would be happy to share it to my candidates.